If you want to find a missing iPhone that does not have a number, let us see what to do. Now there are two requirements for this one. First is your iPhone should be on. The next one is it should be connected with internet. So what you do is go to any web browser and then open this website icloud.com/findmyiphone. Now click on sign in and then you have to enter the Apple ID that is used in the iPhone. And then click on this next button here. Enter the password for the Apple ID and then next. Select allow and then this code you have to use it here. After that you can select trust, don't trust, whichever you want. You will see all the devices where you have used Apple ID here, and if any device is offline you will see like this one, offline, that means it is not on. So if this device is missing, you can click on it and it will show the location. You can go to hybrid or satellite and then check where is this location. Also there is an option here, play sound. So if it is somewhere in the house and if you click on this option, play sound, then this iPhone will continuously ring until you don't turn the sound off in your iPhone.